I'm here in Houston, the U.S. state of Texas. Today is Thursday, February the 18th. It has been 4 days since the severe winter storm caused a massive blackout in the southern U.S. state. Starting from Wednesday night, power has been restored to some of the homes in Texas. But up to now, there are still over 500,000 families without power. On top of that, thousands of people are waiting for running waters to come back to their homes.
Half of the population in the U.S. state of Texas is facing water disruption as the state is running out of food on top of massive power outage. A spokesman from the Texas Commission on the Environmental Quality said on Thursday that almost 14 million Texans are facing water disruption as of Thursday morning, which equals to nearly half of the state's population. The spokesman said that 900 public water systems in 164 counties have been affected due to the severe winter storm. Since Tuesday, some Texans have lost access to running water completely. Now, many cities, including Houston, Dallas, Austin, and San Antonio, are requiring residents to boil water before using. Moreover, people across Texas are using up supplies they had stockpiled and losing more as items start to spoil in dark refrigerators. Across the state, school districts have halted meal distributions to students for the next several days. Universities in the state were closed for the rest of the week. Meanwhile, fruit and vegetables crops in the southern part of the state have frozen due to the severe weather. The good news is power is coming back to some Texas homes. On Thursday, Austin Energy reported that 13% of its energy customers were without power, compared to more than 40% on Monday. According to weather forecast, Houston's temperature will drop back below freezing Friday and Saturday morning. Temperatures will stay well above freezing starting Saturday night.